Hello! In this short video, I'll show you everything you need to create similar images in the Midjourney neural network. First, you need to Google search to find the Discord. Then click Open in browser. Enter the username you want. You have to pass the CAPTCHA. You need to enter information about yourself. Then you can close the window. If it's not difficult for you, please subscribe and like this video. This will help the movement of my channel, and you will receive unique information about all the functions of this and other neural networks. Then we search for Midjourney in Google. Open, and choose Join the Beta. Going through the CAPTCHA again. You can verify your account later. This is optional. Then you have to choose one of the available newbie chats. You can see other people's work here. So, in order to generate a picture, you need to put a slash and select the command imagine. And, for example, cat in space. Here you need to click Accept. Here you can see a greeting and various useful information. Sometimes the image takes a long time to process. In order not to waste your time, I will simply show the result at 93%. The request is almost ready and you can see it. Now we can try to make another request and write, for example, cat with dog. So our result is almost ready and we can see amazing pictures on the request cat with dog. To get only one image that you like, press U1. To get different versions of the first picture, press V1. Also here we can ask us to make different variations of this picture. Thank you for your attention. I hope I was helpful to you. See you in the next videos.